Hey everybody, it's Greg McDaniel and welcome to our script of the day. Price reductions. A lot of people struggle with them, and if you're watching this, that might mean that you're struggling with them too. But congratulations, I'm going to give you the secret to get out of the struggle to get that price reduction. And it's really kind of simple, guys, and it's all done up front. People think they have to do the negotiations after the contract is signed, after it's been on the market, after you've tried to do, at a certain price, but it's done up front. At the listing agreement signing table, this is what you say. Let's say the sellers are just bent on a price, maybe $50,000 over the list rate. No, let's make it easier. Let's make it harder. Let's do $50,000 over the list of what you can show them with the comps that the home is worth. And they think because their neighbor down the street who has a worse house in their opinion, they got this price, so our house is definitely up here. This is your script. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, let's make a deal. We will go on the market at your price for 14 days. And, if we were able to get an offer or have at least 3 showings a week, we will leave it there at that price until we get a contract. But if we don't get very many, if we don't get at least 3 showings a week and or have a contract in hand in 14 days, we mutually agree to come back to the negotiating table. We'll look at the comps. We'll see if the market has changed on us at all. And then we will make an adjustment on our price down to where we feel the home should be priced at in today's market. Now, I'm not saying that their neighbor's house is better and that everyone's getting a steal on yours. I'm just saying the market can shift $50,000 any given Sunday. Okay, I just want to put you guys out there at the best price to attract the most offers to get the highest purchase contract we possibly can. You can see where I'm coming from, right? Okay, great. I'm just going to put this here in the listing agreement that we're going to come back and talk if we need to. And if not, fantastic. We'll get more money for you. Okay, great. Thanks for the signatures. That's how you do it, guys. You put it in the listing agreement. Use the verbiage that you want that makes you the most comfortable, but that has been very effective for us just because it's up front. And you know what? If it sells for more, let them have the ego hit. You get paid a little bit more. Everybody wins. So don't fight them if you don't have to. There's your script. Go list some houses.
Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out our script of the day. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. That's how YouTube really knows that you like this type of content. And then if you're not already aware, if you haven't watched us on our real estate podcast, Real Estate Uncensored, it's all about how to combine high-tech and high-touch methods to build a life of freedom through real estate. So you can look us up on iTunes or Stitcher and subscribe to Real Estate Uncensored. Look forward to the next one, guys.